name are the sacred writings of the Bible commonly known? Matthew chapter 21, verse 42 says, Jesus said unto them, did you never read in the scriptures, the stone which the builders rejected, the same is become the head of the corner.